How to change column width on Wix. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy and simple it is to change the specific column width into your website of Wix, of course. So we are going to add a column, and how is that? Basically, we are going to follow the basics by heading over wix.com, signing into our account, and then we are going to see the dashboard of the sites or the site's dashboard. We're going to select one of the website in here, click on select an edit site, and then we are going to face up the dashboard. Now, either you are going to be on the setup page or the home page, click on design site or edit site from here. And then we are going to basically see our website. So this is the Wix website editor. Now, what are we going to do basically is to head over our section. So either it is going to be an empty section or a section that it has been added for the, let's say here, columns. Now we're going to select this section, as you can see, and it is a empty section. We're going to add an element to it. So basically we are going to head over the strips. For example, you can add here, for example, this strip, one of the type of strips in here. So as you can see, the strips will contain columns, and this is going to facilitate the task for us. So I'm going to head over here and add a classic one. So I'm going to add this. Basically, this is the strip. As you can see, it is going to be a big strip. So now what can we do? Either you are going to stretch it or put it as much as you want on the page. So you can go ahead and follow it to set it up for the page or the screen. Now, how we can go ahead and split this, as you can see, strip into columns. Basically, you're going to click on design, and then you're going to be, or the layout. I think that we are going to click on layout. This is my bad. I apologize. So we are going to click on layout, and then we are going to click on add columns. So this is the first column in here, and this is the second one, the first and the second. Now, how we can basically manage or set up the column width. So it is going to be very simple. So we are going to head over here, and then we can go ahead and set up the columns as much as you want. You can go ahead and click on manage the column. You can add another column to it, for example, or pick a column, as you can see, and set it up. Now, for the width of the column, you can go ahead and select or double click on the column right there until it is going to be set up like that. And then you can go ahead and modify it. So basically in here, as you can see, I couldn't have the width set up for the column. So what I am going to do is going to be a basic method, which is going to be deselecting the columns and click on only the strip. So when you are going to see the strip selected with its columns, you're going to click on layout. And now you're going to see a different parameter from before. So we are going to have here the column proportion, as you can see, which is going to be represented the width. So either you are going to have, for example, the first column or the last column as wider 25% more than the others. And in the meanwhile, the others are going to be 25% width or wide, or you can go ahead and put a 60% or let it equal, as you can see in here. And you're going to set up, for example, the proportion of each one of the columns. For example, the one or this one, the first one, I'm going to put it as 50%. And the second one is also, I'm going to put it as a 50%. So the third one, I'm going to put it 50. And I couldn't get the space for it because the total is going to be a 100%. So let's say that we are going to have here this 5% and the 45% is going to be added in here. So this is how you can go ahead and modify the width of each one of the columns. And if you want to make it equal, you can have here the pre-made designs or layouts in here. You can also set up the spacing column from here. You can have here some spacing added or not. You can have some padding added or not. It is going to be your choice. For example, in here, then you can go ahead and again and select from these proportions, as you can see in here. So basically that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.